Hello, in this JavaScript video, I am going to show you loop labels. So we've already looked at some more advanced loop features such as the break and the continue statements. You already know what they are. I'm going to show you loop labels. I'm going to do it with a break statement, but the same principle applies with the continue statement. As an extra task, I would recommend implementing it with continue. So first of all, let's just quickly create a loop. So let's just do var I equals 0, I less than 100, I plus plus. So nothing new here at the moment, nothing new. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to console log it out for now. So we're not going to use the statements, the loop labels yet. So I want to get this working, print that out, see what we get. We get printed 0 to 99. If you don't understand any of this, I'd recommend just switching back and having a look at the loops video. Okay, so if I put here now outside the loop, for example, that's a label now, and so it's not defined. Oh, sorry, should be outer loop. That is weird. Well, that is not working. See the mistake that I made. Forgot to put a semicolon instead of a colon. Okay, so that hasn't changed the code at all. But this has added a label here. And what we can do, let's say if we say if I equals, I don't know, 80 for example, what we'll do is we will run a bit of code. We'll break out of here, and not only that, before we put the semicolon, we'll say outside loop, then put semicolon, and just say go to this label. And if we run this, as you can see, it breaks and it goes back to this little bit here, and it continues running the rest of the code. So that's what these labels allow you to do. You can add labels around here as well if you want. Honestly, I'm the biggest fan of labels, as they have a tendency to create spaghetti code where the code is jumping from one place to another, and it's hard to figure out when errors pop up. But I thought I'll just show you so you can make the decision for yourself if you want to use something like a label. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial.